All right, so Coach Pfaff put up this assignment to do the following two vectors, add the two vectors and find the magnitude of the resultant vector. So that's going to be the hypotenuse of your right triangle. So I have a calculator pulled up here to the left and the assignment to the right. So I'm just going to work these out for you. So 12 east, if you don't know your cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. So 12 east and 11 north. That would give me a resultant vector that looks like that. So I'm going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared for all of these. So I'm going to do 11 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared and find the resultant. So let me come over here to my calculator. 11 squared is 121, plus 12 squared is 144. I get 265. Square root of 265 is 16.2. Or I can say 16.3. The second one here is 18 north. That's north, and that's 18. And from there, we're going to go west at 10. So our resultant is going to look like that. So we're going to do 18 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. 18 squared is 324. 10 squared is 100. After you add those and take the square root, so we're going to do the square root of 424, and you get 20.6. Okay, the next one, let me circle my answers here. All right, the next one here is 25 west. Whoops, I'm giving myself some room because I have to go north next. 25 west and then 20 north to get that resultant. So 25 squared plus 20 squared equals c squared. You're going to take the square root of that at the end. So 25 squared is 625. 20 squared is 400. When you add those together and then take the square root, you get 32.0. That was number 3. Oops. All right, number 4. Move all that up there. Okay. Number 4, you have 65 north and 35 east. So I'm going north and then east. Remember, you have to use the head to tail method, so I can't add that one down here because I wouldn't be using the head to tail. If I end here, I have to start my next one there. So that's going to be 35 east. So my resultant is from where I started to where I ended. So I'm looking for that. So I'm going to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So whichever side, 35 squared plus 65 squared equals c squared. I'm going to have to take the square root of all that. Sorry, I can't decide if I like this online calculator, so I'm going to use my phone here. My calculator is dead. So 35 squared is 1225 plus 65 squared is 4225. So I'm going to add those two together to get 5,450, and I'm going to take the square root of that to get, so C equals 73.8. Whoops. Okay, Coach Pfaff said he did post the answers, so let's just make sure that that is accurate there. All right, there you go. All right, number 5. So we're going north. So I'm going to just draw a north and then a west. So I went 180 north and 125 west. So my resultant is going to look like that. So 180 squared plus 125 squared equals c squared. I'm going to take the square root of those. Give myself some room. Alright, so using my calculator, I'm going to do 180 squared is 32400 plus 125 squared is 15,625. Add those two things together and take the square root of that number, and you get 219. Okay. For number 6, just check our answer for that one, 219. All right. Number 6 is 14 east and 12 north. So first I'm going to go east. Oh, that's west. Sorry. Start here, go east, 14, and then from there I'm going to go 12 north. So my resultant will look like that. So 12 squared plus 14 squared equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides. 144 plus 14 squared is 196. Add those two together and take the square root to get 18.4. Yep. All right, there you go. Let's check our answer, 18.4, very good. Okay, 6 east and 8 north, so east is this way, I'm going 6, from there I'm going 8 north. My resultant will be that line. So 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides. Alright, 6 squared is 36. 8 squared, I can do that in my head, 64. Alright, plus 36 is, so these two are 100. Take the square root of 100 and you get 10. Let's check our answer. Very good. Alright, moving right along. Number 8, 15 west is this way. This one's 15. From there I go 20 north. So my resultant will be that line. So 20 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides. So I'm going to do 20 squared is 400 plus 15 squared is 225. We get 625. You take the square root of that and get 25. Oops. All right. 25 is the answer. Let's check our answers. There you go. All right. 25 and 25. All right. So we're going east 25. From there I go north 25. So I want to find the resultant. 25 squared plus 25 squared equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides. 25 squared plus 25 squared. Take the square root. You get 35.3. 35, so we'll round up. 35.4. All right, last one. You go east 35, and then you go north 15, so we're looking for that resultant. 15 squared plus 35 squared equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides. So 15 squared plus 35 squared, and then take the square root, you get 38. Let's check our answers. Very good. We round up to 38.1, and that is the end.